yan sa phone.
On the right of Red 1 is Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Paignton Green. Damo is a former Hawk pilot with 100 Squadron and Typhoon pilot, and he joins us from Coningsby. Well, Red 1 has called the aircraft into Apollo formation, it of course being the 50th anniversary of the Apollo moon landings. As Red 1 brings Apollo towards us, the smoke is about to come on, ready for the Apollo roll. Upside down at 3,500 feet, the distinctive bright red aircraft in this beautiful sky in Torbay. As Apollo moves into a right-hand turn, Red 1 is about to call them into another historic shape. I've mentioned it already today, but the first flight of Concorde was 50 years ago this year, shortly after the Apollo moon landings.
Sa camera ko.
Concorde going towards Red 1, the smoke comes on the outside of the formation as the aircraft slid forward, forming the iconic shape. Going full towards Red 1. As the aircraft comes towards us, you'll see the iconic shape of Concorde, looking as if it's on final approach to Heathrow with engines underneath, the nose lights pointing towards us. He's about to pull up into the Concorde loop. And pulling up calls Red 1, the aircraft pulling to the vertical in Concorde. He's about to call into Signet as they transition in the middle of the loop. Eight and 9 moving to the outside as they complete the Signet manoeuvre over the top of the loop 6,000 feet above us. In the right-hand wing of Signet is Red 4, another of our new pilots this year, Flight Lieutenant Gregor Ogston. Gregor has previously flown the Harrier and the Typhoon, and he joins the team having been an instructor at Valley on the new version of the Hawk T2. It's non-stop action as Red 1 calls the aircraft from Signet into Phoenix. Phoenix, a very hard formation for the pilots to fly with 6 aircraft in line abreast. And we're about to have the colour on for the the Phoenix pass. To the left of Red 1 in Phoenix is Squadron Leader Mike Bowden. Mike returns to the team this year while David Simmons recovers from injury. Many of you remember that Mike Bowden was on the team last year. In fact, he's done 4 display seasons and was in the process of leaving the Royal Air Force to join 2 airlines. And they graciously allowed him to come back for 1 more year before rejoining them next year. Well, we've mentioned history already today, but as the smoke comes on the wingtips of Phoenix, Reds 8 and 9 are moving to the back of the formation into Lancaster. The Lancaster, of course, very well known for its historic missions in